Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark's Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2020 JLG 460SJ. This is going to be a straight jib boom man lift. This lift is a very, very nice machine. There is 2,271 hours on this machine. So, this lift is very well equipped. I'm going to have several of these for sale. This will be the lowest hour one I have for sale at this time. This lift, again, is a 2020. It is an actual 2020. It is not a reborn, remanufactured, refurbed, whatever terminology you want to use there. So it's not a 2008 chassis that someone repainted or JLG repainted and went through in the refurb shop. That does make a difference in my opinion. This machine is very well equipped. It is going to have the following options, and there is not many of these out there that have these options. This unit is going to have SkyPower. Standard SkyPower is going to be a 4,000 watt generator system. This actually has a 7,500 watt generator system because it has a SkyWelder system with it. The SkyWelder on this is going to be a Miller, I think it's a CTS 280. It is a stick welder, and it is currently hanging on the basket. Each one of these machines I'll have coming up for sale will have welders with them. This is going to have the SkyGlazer package on it. So that is a front piece that is on the basket to help you carry up a window or a sheet of plywood up in the lift. It is also going to have SkyGuard. So very well equipped machine. It does have the 12/16/5 foam filled tires on it. The machine is all original paint. Just the way you see it there is 100% the way it is. These come out of a JLG dealer's fleet. I do buy a lot of those. They aren't United or anything like that. Rental machines, they are out of a JLG dealer's fleet. Very nice, very original machines. It's going to be powered by a Deutz 2.9 L4. This lift also, just like the other one we just videoed and pictured, I did put a new basket on this from JLG. They're $2,000, and the reason I did it was the wire mesh, and I feel it's a problem with JLG. They tack weld that wire mesh fast. It was coming up, and the kick guards around, they had some dings and dents in those. There was nothing structural, but there again, the reason I do that kind of thing, I want something to be right when we sell it. I don't want to have anybody coming back. And we also, as far as these machines, how I am doing these, when someone is interested or has put a deposit on this machine and it's ready for sale to that customer, we have an independent inspection company that we have come in. And then we have them do the ANSI inspection on this so that it's done. And yes, if he would find something that we missed in our full service, yes, it would be 100% repaired and taken care of. But that is why we went through these machines. I bought factory JLG filter kits, went over them. They're leak-free, very nice machines, and they're 100% ready to go to work. So compared to other units out there in the market today, these are some of the only ones that I have found that have these options. There's other ones out there priced the same as I am, but they don't have the options that are on these machines. We're going to start here underneath the engine bay. We're going to take you completely around the machine. So underneath the engine bay here, you're going to again find this is going to be powered by the Deutz 2.9 liter L4. That is not a DPF. It's what's called a DOC or DOX. Doesn't do any type of regen. It's just a scrubber muffler. Over here, you're going to have a valve bank. Obviously, that is going to run down here to your pilot filter. That is your pilot control for your pumps. Down below there is going to be your swivel joint, and then below that's going to be your swing gear. Everything there is very nice and dry and very, very good condition. Here's going to be your generator system. Again, that is a 7,500 watt generator system from JLG that is engine driven. 4-cylinder diesel engine. Again, starts and runs excellent. No abnormal noise, smoke, blow by, anything of that nature. 2276 is the hours. And you see MSC written on everything. That stands for Mark's Supply Company. JLG does do a thing where you can actually unbolt this engine tray and it will swing out to the side for easy serviceability of the engine. The hood, nothing is busted, bent, twisted, anything like that on the fiberglass. Is very, very nice, not splintered. Has a very nice shine to it. There is a couple scuffs on the counterweight. Excellent, excellent foam filled 12/16/5 OTR tires all the way around. Same on this panel, excellent shape. We're going to open this one up. You will see over here your valve bank, swing motor, emergency down, battery, hydraulic reservoir, 2270. We did both filters in here, tank and the breather. Fuel tank. Back here's a data comm and your backup beeper. Show you down here, 2271 on your hours. We have, no, we'll show you here. We've started it, we have no error codes, okay? It is running. If you had error codes, this would be flashing red. We have no active codes on that machine. Coming over here, you'll see your lift cylinder. It's dry. Tracking for your hose, everything there is very nice and straight. Boom pads are very nice. Jib cylinder is dry. Up here, you're going to have your swivel joint for your basket. Coming up front, you have a CST 280 Miller welder. You will see right here, you are going to have two GFCI 110 outlets. To energize them, you're just going to flip them on. Brand new fire extinguisher has been installed. Up here, panel box, all decals are new, everything there is new, ready to go. Does have the tray on it. Nice to just lay screws and different things in. SkyGlazer Kit. And guys, this is a 3-foot wide by 8-foot long side entry man basket, which you can see, and it is a factory JLG. All decals and stuff have been put back on. Purchased a complete kit from JLG to do that. So, what I'm going to do, I will go ahead up here. I'm going to start the machine, show you that all of the ground controls work. Then we're going to switch it over here to platform, and we're going to run it around and show you it does everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. So guys, here you can hear me from the mics. Here is up. Obviously here is down. And we'll show you here is telescopic. Telescopic in. We're going to show you here is going to be basket up, or jib up I should say, and jib down. Show you here jib rotation. Takes me a second. Now this is going to be platform level. And then anything left to show you here guys is rotation, which you can see that the rotation works. There you go. Bring the basket back down. Square myself back up. All right, shut my emergency off, switch myself back up to platform, and I went ahead and re-engage my emergency stop. Now, coming up here, we're going to go into side entry, just like so. Landon, I'm going to start this from up here. And if you would, we're going to go ahead and turn the gen set on, show them that the welder powers up. Turn the welder on. Welder will go through a startup procedure. Then your light will come on, and light stays solid. Welder is ready to work. Yes, we have tested these. Yes, you will see it comes with a like brand new set, stinger and ground. They are approximately 14 feet long. All you will do is shut the welder off, shut the gen set down. That's all there is to that. Guys, at this time, I'm going to go ahead and engage this lift, and we're going to put it through all its motions. Here we go. So one big thing with these jib booms, which I'll show you here in just a second, allow me to come up here a little bit, and you're going to be able to see with the jib, I can put myself into some pretty unique situations with the jib. I can actually come up just like this. Now I can bring myself back down, and you can see there what kind of positions I can use this in. Very slick, very cool setup. Jib's a must-have anymore with a straight boom machine. It's either an articulate or the SJ series. So 460 SJ and a 660 SJ, probably two of the most common lifts that JLG builds and sells. Current production machine, this is a 2020 year model, and there's 2,271 hours on this machine. Again, very clean, very nice, all original machine. Again, that's the kind of stuff I'm out there looking for. But I will tell you guys, it is getting harder by the day to come up with nice, clean stuff. This winter, you know, we generally try to come up with a good bit of stuff. And this winter, we're struggling a little bit. Just guys don't seem to be trading their stuff. And it's just because I do believe it's the replacement cost. Let's face that. This lift today is I looked this morning, I think it's $98,000 or $99,000 for a 460. Just a pile of money. So you can see here, I'm going to articulate this over. So you can kind of see there the kind of angle I'm putting myself into. And look what I'm doing. See how much closer I am to my work because I'm using this jib. Now, one big thing, I'll go ahead and I'll engage the traction lock. You can see there that I am able to travel, I'm able to steer, okay? All that works just the way it's supposed to, which there again, I want to show people the honesty of what a machine is. It's why we take the time to do in-depth videos. A lot of people are not going to spend this kind of time. And it's one, they don't care. Two, maybe they have something to hide. I don't. It's why we take time. It's why we do service work. And it's why we're out there doing these videos. I'm definitely not doing this for my health or popularity. I'm just a dumb farm guy. That's all I am. But straighten our basket out. Now, we're going to drive this machine. So, I am in high range, high throttle at the moment. So you can see that it's going to do everything there in reverse that you want it to do. Now we're going to go ahead and go to forward drive function. Now, we're going to go ahead, we're going to put it in low throttle, high speed. You can see that that all works. And forward, low throttle, high speed. Now, we're going to go to turtle mode. So basically what turtle's going to do, it's going to give you high RPM. I shouldn't say that. This is high torque mode. It's going to give you that high engine RPM, but you're going to be in a low speed. More or less, if you need to climb up an incline, that is what that is for. So again, this is a four-wheel drive lift. Now, when I stow these, this is what I like to do. I like to go ahead, bring my boom up, and then bring my basket down. Brought my jib back down. I'll go ahead and lower myself back down. This does also have snail mode. Obviously that's going to work. So snail mode, I can lift myself up. I can take myself down. Then I can speed that up as I need. You can see there, I have the control stroke clear forward, but then I can slow myself down, okay? Put it back up on high. Guys, there's all there is to it. Very nice lift, very clean. Again, it is serviced, ready to go to work. Now, one big thing I will show you here, we're going to shut it off, and we're going to re-engage it. Okay? We have no error codes coming up. Again, very good, very straight lift. Has a lot of nice features on it. Again, this lift would be pretty well as loaded up as you're going to find anywhere. So again, 2020 JLG 460SJ. A 460SJ is a 46-foot platform height machine. You will add 6 foot for working height. So you're at a 52-foot lift. 16,600 pounds. It's very easy to move on like a tandem rollback or on a gooseneck trailer, a dual tandem gooseneck behind a 350 or 450 size truck. That's what's so drawing to this size machine is the smaller contractor. He can move this very easily. Versus you get into a 660, it weighs 26 or 27,000 pounds. Not so easy to move. So guys, if you got any questions, 2020 JLG 460SJ jib boom machine, SkyPower, SkyWelder, SkyGlazer, SkyGuard Kit, 2,271 hours. Very clean, all original machine, brand new basket, 3 foot by 8 foot. Again, machine will be inspected at the time of sale by an independent ANSI inspector, so that's taken care of for our customer when we sell it to them. Any questions, 814-658-3066. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark's Supply Company. Have a great day.